We have a very interesting sighting. This was captured by a woman named Shirley. She was on a flight over the Pacific Ocean coming from Lima, Peru to LAX on December 22nd, 2024, when she unexpectedly captured what appears to be movement, tons of unidentified movement in the middle of the ocean. And she even called over the stewardess, and they had no explanation as to what was out there. Now, before you assume that it's oil rigs or drilling or anything like that, oil rigs and oil drilling have actually been banned in the Pacific Ocean since like the 60s. And any old oil rigs that are out there have little to no use, and they're actually in federal waters. So there's no active oil rigs out there. So what the heck is that? Because it looks like a mobilization of something. Take a look at this footage and tell me what you think.